Hey guys, thank you for visiting my channel today. Now in this tutorial I will show you the parallel sit trick. It's an easy trick, it's a beginner friendly trick more or less, but it still feels a little bit scary, and that's why I see that some of my beginners do not quite execute the trick the way it's supposed to look like. So that's why I decided to make a tutorial specifically for this trick, okay? Just make sure you're warm and ready before you start to do this tutorial. So the parallel sit, I'm gonna show you, then I'm gonna break it down. So you just sit, boom. So I know it looks easy, it seems easy to accomplish, but there are some key points that sometimes get lost. For example, that chest opening moment where the parallel sit does not look parallel anymore. Now I'm going to show you what I mostly see in my beginners when they first do this trick before I add the tips. So firstly, what I usually see is this. Sitting onto the side, sometimes with connected feet, which actually limits the possibility to open up and to feel the grip. So the main thing is to feel that an upper part of the body is opening and the lower part is helping you to do that. So you want to create this nice push up, like you're opening up, not just sitting and turning, okay? You want to feel that opening moment. So what I suggest you, once you sit onto the pole, right away open your legs like this. It doesn't mean that I'm not holding the pole. I'm actually squeezing the pole really hard, but I'm opening the legs, scissor position. Next step, what is important is to understand where to put the upper arm and where to put the lower arm. So you want, ideally, that your body is between your arms. So you are in the center, not here or here, but you are in the center of your arms. So once you're holding the pole. So that is step 2. First step, sit. And you're squeezing the legs like this, so you're not opening them up. You keep the squeeze, you're just moving your legs open like this to create this nice position, V position with your legs. Extend, 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 okay? Knees extended. Next thing, once you're extending the legs, try to think about a little bit of external rotation in your hips like this. So you're not extending the legs like this. You're actually trying to open up that knee, to open up that hip. This is how you're gonna feel a better squeeze. So, and it looks a lot better once you do that, okay? So, external, not here. Okay, I'm exaggerating, but here. Opening up, creating the V. Now, put one arm close to you, and then extend and let your body move away from the pole and grab the pole underneath. And see if your body is in the middle of your arms. If not, correct that position. Okay? Now from here, you want to open the chest as much as possible. And I do not feel that I have a really solid grip from the lower arm. The mostly where I am holding is the upper arm and the thighs. So the thighs are externally rotating, squeezing the pole like this in a V. Upper arm, see the shoulder? It's looking like this to open up. Not here, but here to open up the chest. Once you do this, the lower arm is just there. You don't need to do nothing more from it just to hold the pole. if you're doing this, then you will feel that you need so much support from that lower arm that can make actually this trick a little bit more difficult than it should be. You have to make sure that once you extend from your sitting position, your shoulder is opening up and your chest is opening up, and only then you will be actually able to grab the pole with the lower arm. Otherwise it will feel like a huge distance and it will feel like you cannot even grab the pole. So once more, sit, pull. Open up the legs, external rotation, point your toes, go away from the pole, open, boom, and the pole is there. And the last step is the head. The chin is away. Open up your chin as much as you feel like opening. Yes. And here is your parallel sit. So once the chest is opening, once you tilt it back like this, open this area as well. It will make the parallel sit look nicer. So these are the main steps what you need to go through, okay? Sit, make sure that you're controlling your thighs, that they are actually squeezing the pole and that you're safe. Then only you extend, make sure the shoulder is opening up, make sure the chest is opening up along with the shoulder, so you're not like you move into your parallel sit and then you open. When you went away from the pole, you already have to feel that you're open. Okay, that's a big difference. Because if you're going to move like this and try to find the pole, it will be very difficult. Okay, I'm going to show you that so you can actually understand what I'm talking about. You're here, then you grab here. First of all, the going into the trick does not look very nice, okay? And then you try to push and open, and it feels like you're struggling through it. Well, it does feel like that for me, because you went into the ending position and only then you created the position where you want to be. But you have to move towards the position already once you're letting go, once you're opening, once you're grabbing the pole. And this is what makes your transition into the trick nice as well. So it's not like just make a photo or a video of you doing the trick. You can actually make a video of you going into the trick and executing the trick itself afterwards. So entry is as important as the trick itself. So, and also exiting the trick is also as important as the trick itself. So once you move away from that trick, like we want to move out, you let go the lower arm, you pull yourself close to the pole and try to control your exit as well, okay? Don't jump off from the pole. It's actually very important that you always control your exits as well. It will only help you grow. Now, once more, sit, scissor, open, found the pole. If needed, move the arms and enjoy your parallel sit. Now I want to move out. I get my chin back. I pull myself closer. Boom. And found the floor. So hopefully this tutorial will help you to nail the parallel sit. Just remember, try to train your both sides from the start. Even in tricks like these, trying to do the same thing on the other side is very, very important, okay? Train your both sides. And if you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe. And if you have some comments about suggestions about the next tutorials, you can write them in the comment section as well. So thank you guys for being here today and have a wonderful day.